Hey Bricksters and Lego friends. Well, I went to Toys R Us today. I got a few things there, and also the FedEx parcel came. So, first off, another pack of these, the Aquatic Booster Pack from Mega Constructs at Toys R Us. $3.99. They're great little things for the coral and all that in there. It's great. They're awesome. That's new. Now, this is another Harry Potter minifig. Blind bag minifig, but it is, well, it's on lot number 413B8, so it's totally different than the ones I had before. And so I just felt for it, and it is Luna. And I know it's her because I can feel for the Quibbler 2x4 tile she has, and that's how I know that's her. And then I got the Brickheads Mickey Mouse. They came in this week, so I was able to get the counterpart for many, because Lego still does not have these, and I think they're just exclusive to Toys R Us. Either that, or just Toys R Us here in Canada and Disney. I don't know what the story is, but anyway, I picked that up, even though I don't care for Brickheads. And a Harry Potter cup, just a drinking cup, mug type of thing. Had that in the party supplies with the Harry Potter sets, so I thought that was rather cool because I don't have a Harry Potter cup. So that will be my goblet of fire, as you want to call it. Now this box, we got to open it up and see what it is. Okay, so open this up. Lots of packing material in this beast. All kinds of packing material. Good grief. And it is part B of... Ooh, I got the green one. So now I got all the colors, the stickers. They really had to put this in a big box to sign this, but that's crazy. But anyway, it is the Hogwarts Whomping Willow set. So that's what came in that big box. So we'll put that aside there, take the pliers out of the way, put the stickers there, and that's the Harry Potter stuff. Ta-da! And some Mega Block stuff and the Brickheads. So that's my brick haul for today. So, hope you liked the video, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when we upload another video. So we'll talk to you again very shortly, because we have some more videos that we are working on to get put out to you. So until then, Wingardium Leviosa. Oh, I think that's the wrong one. Uh-oh. What did we do here? I don't know. Not good.